under the water.
Do you like the Icelandic song?
I do, yes.
Yeah, very good. I think you will qualify. Paper.
Paper, I love it.
Yes. I think they'll win.
It's very cool, really, song.
Iceland song. Ah, paper, yes. Paper. What?
Yeah, it's a very nice song.
Yes, I heard Icelandic song. I like it.
Paper, you cut right through. I'm stuck like I'm stuck like glue to you.
Do you think we will qualify?
I hope so.
I hope so. Paper is great and she's a great performer.
Of course. I'm from Svalbard.
She's a good singer.
Yeah.
Iceland was one of my favourites last year. But yeah, really got my fingers crossed for Iceland this year. I'm from Svalbard. Maybe even Sweden.